Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Handy Gift. In my channel, you've always seen how to make handmade gifts. But have you ever thought, how do you give it to someone in a unique way? In today's video, I'll be showing you one of the ways how you can give gifts to your loved ones. Without wasting time, let's begin. Hello again. So the idea I was talking about is of a treasure hunt. I can give you example of how I had organized a treasure hunt for my best friend. It was her 22nd birthday, so I thought of giving her 22 gifts. I made few of them, also bought few of the gifts and collected few gifts from our mutual friends who were about to come to the birthday party that day. So I organized a treasure hunt using those gifts. I thought instead of giving it to her hand directly all at once, I can give her one by one by the means of treasure hunt. So I'll give you all the clues. I'll give out all the clues which I used to organize this treasure hunt. I think that will be helpful for you as well, because most of them will want to organize such treasure hunt, but only thing is they'll be they'll be stuck with the clues, like what type of clues you can create or which will help them find out things a bit easily, so or maybe little complicated. So I'll be showing you all the clues which I had created for her birthday. You can also have some fun. So now after this you'll be seeing the clues, and after that maybe I'll give you 5 or 10 seconds maybe, so that you can also try to guess what it can be. And after 10 seconds, the answer will flash on the screen. So have fun, enjoy this video. Bye bye.